Day 6. An icy early start as the sun began to rise above the retreating snow clouds. Almost everything was now blanketed in picturesque snow. And with that, our scenic journey started once again. The schedule for today was going to be a long one. We departed southwards through the countryside towards the mountainous borders of Gifu. It wasn't long before we reached our first stop for a short visit. Daiō Wasabi Farm, the largest wasabi farm in all of Japan that pioneered the cultivation of one of the most iconic food items. The farm was not only famous for wasabi, but also for its sublime scenery. I could only imagine how beautiful it would be during the warmer seasons. Within the farm grounds is Daiō Shrine, the namesake of the farm. The folklore behind the shrine was also both epic and somewhat grisly too. Time was short, so only a small visit was made after crossing over the Bridge of Happiness. If only it could have lasted longer. For me, this farm was an amazing experience to learn from, especially after having previously grown wasabi for just over a year. I could only wish that I had both a setup and an environment that was as nice as what this farm has. Also highly recommended was the farm's wasabi soft cream. Truly a marvelously delicious experience. And with that, we were back on our way towards our next destination. As always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.